हेलो बच्चों, आज हम ऑप्टिक्स का पार्ट 1 रे ऑप्टिक्स स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन रे ऑप्टिक्स और फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज योर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। दिस इज अ प्लेन, this is your normal, this is your incident ray, and this is your reflected ray. So what happens here, when a ray incident on this surface and if it is reflected back in the same medium through which it comes, then this process is known as reflection of light. So simply we can call this ray is your incident ray and this ray is known as your reflected ray. Now this is your normal. Here this angle is denoted by I, known as angle of incidence. This angle is denoted by R, known as angle of reflection. Here there are two laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. One is angle I is equals to angle R, means angle of incidence will be equals to angle of reflection. Now second law, all lie in the same plane. All means what? Here three things we have: incident ray, normal, and reflected ray. All lie in the same plane. Basically, here these two laws are applied, laws of reflection, first one and second one. But here it is, third law is also there. तीसरा law है, after reflection velocity, wavelength and frequency. After reflection, velocity, wavelength and frequency of the light remains same, but intensity decreases. So this is also important thing. After reflection, velocity, wavelength and frequency of the light remains same, but intensity decreases. Now अगला टॉपिक है अपना रिफ्लेक्शन फ्रॉम a plane surface. Here in plane surface we will use plane mirror. when surface of any glass is silvered. One surface is silvered, then it becomes mirror. Now, talking about the image formed by the plane mirror. Plane mirror से कैसी image बनती है? First point, the image formed by a plane mirror is वर्चुअल होती है, डायरेक्ट होती है, लैटरली इन्वर्टेड होती है, इक्वल इन साइज, सेम एज दैट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. तो पॉइंट इसके लिए प्लेन मिरर से बनने वाली इमेज कैसी होती है? वर्चुअल, डायरेक्ट, लैटरली इन्वर्टेड, इक्वल इन size as that of the object. And second point also, this point is related to also the images. Yes, second point also related to the image formed by the plane mirror. So second point is what? At a distance equal to the distance of the object in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror. बात समझ में आ गई? जो ऑब्जेक्ट, जो इमेज बनता है वो किस डिस्टेंस पे बनता है? एट अ डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. नाउ देयर आर सम पॉइंट्स, बेसिक पॉइंट related to plane mirror. We are going to study these points, or we can say these are the concepts related to your plane mirror. So next topic is concepts related to plane mirror. Concept related to plane mirror. In these concepts, first concept is comes your deviation. First one is what? Deviation. It is denoted by del. Deviation of what? Deviation of incident ray. Deviation of incident ray from its original direction where it comes is known as deviation. So first of all we will discuss deviation produced by a plane, a single mirror only. So deviation produced by a single mirror. So this is your plane mirror. इसकी जो एक साइड है उसको सिल्वर कर देते हैं, then it becomes plane mirror. It is your normal. This is your incident ray and this is your reflected ray. This is angle of incidence I. This is your angle of reflection R. Now this ray should goes in this direction. So this angle is known as your angle of deviation, or simply we can call it deviation. So this is your angle of deviation del. This is a single line. On a single line, total sum of angle is I plus R plus del will be equals to 180. Here angle I and R equal, so we can write I plus del is equals to 180 degree. Then del will be what? 180 minus 2y. So ये फॉर्मूला आ गया अपने पास. फॉर्मूला किसका? Deviation produced by a single mirror will be equals to 180 minus 2y. Here I is angle of incidence. Now come to the next point. For two inclined plane mirror, first of all हमने डिस्कस किया for a single mirror, then for two inclined plane mirror. So here it is your one mirror M1, it is your M1 mirror 1. This is your mirror 2 M2. These two mirrors are inclined with each other with angle theta. Now question is what? Deviation produced by these two mirrors is what? Then here again we consider incident ray. इंसिडेंट रे है, ये आपका नॉर्मल हो गया, नॉर्मल ड्रॉ कर लिया. नॉर्मल इज परपेंडिकुलर टू दी surface of the your mirror. Now here it is your reflected ray. Then for this mirror M2 it is incident ray, so after this mirror it get reflected back, so it is a reflected ray, it is your incident ray for mirror 2. Now here यहाँ पे भी हम नॉर्मल ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. तो ये इंसिडेंट एंगल, ये रिफ्लेक्टेड एंगल, यहाँ पे हम इसको अल्फा लेंगे, देन इट इज ऑल्सो अल्फा. हियर वी कंसिडर बीटा, देन इट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल्स टू बीटा. नाउ फ्रॉम द ज्योमेट्री दिस इज नॉर्मल, देन दिस इज 90 डिग्री, तो दिस एंगल विल बिकम्स 90 माइनस अल्फा. हियर सेम, this angle is 90 degree and this is your beta, so this angle becomes 90 minus beta. Now deviation, here total deviation will be equals to two types of deviation, del 1 plus del 2. Del 1 is the deviation by the mirror 1 and del 2 is the deviation by mirror 2. So del 1 is what? 180 minus 2i. Here I is what? Alpha. So we can write 180 minus 2 alpha plus del 2 is what? 180 minus 2 beta, and we simplify, then it becomes 360 minus 2 alpha plus 2 alpha plus beta. Now alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta is what? This is equation number 1. From the geometry, of triangle. Triangle is what? This triangle. In this triangle, this angle is theta, this angle is 90 minus alpha, this angle is 90 minus beta. Sum of all these angles should be equals to 180 degree. So we can write theta plus 90 minus alpha plus 90 minus beta will be equals to 180 degree. 90 and 90, 180 degree. So we can write theta will be equals to alpha plus beta. Now we clearly see in equation number 1. Equation number 1 में देखो, alpha plus beta, here alpha plus beta, so here alpha plus beta, in place of alpha plus beta we can write theta, so del will become 360 minus 2 theta. This is the formula of deviation by the two plane mirrors when they are inclined at an angle theta. So these two basic concepts are very important. Now coming to the next concept. Before next concept, we will take one example. This is the example and this is also the questions asked in examination so many times. When two plane mirror inclined at an angle 90 degree, then incident and reflected final light, then incident and reflected final light rays will be anti-parallel to each other. समझते हैं इसको. कोई दो प्लेन मिरर इंक्लाइंड हो 90 डिग्री एंगल पे, तो उनकी जो इंसिडेंट और रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट रे होगी, फाइनल लाइट रे होगी, वो दोनों कैसी होगी? एंटी पैरेलल होगी. नाउ दिस इज योर वन मिरर M1, this is your M2. Both are at 90 degree. What happens here? Here one ray, incident ray come like this, then it is reflected, it comes to the mirror 2, then it is again reflected. So both are anti-parallel to each other when angle is 90 degree. Now we will prove this mathematically. So mathematically we can write del is equals to 360 minus 2 theta. Here theta is what? 90 degree. So we can write 360 minus 180 degree. So del will becomes 180 degree. So here